Students, in this video, we are going to learn fourth comprehensive problem on fund flow statement. In this problem, we are going to learn two important things. First one is preparation of sole trading concern fund flow statement. Then second one, provision for depreciation treatment in situation 2. In situation 1, the opening provision for depreciation and closing provision for depreciation given in the balance sheet that we learned in the last video. In this video, the opening provision for depreciation and closing provision for depreciation given in the adjustment. Look at the problem. The financial position of a Giant on 31st December 1979 and 1980 was as follows. Here, along with the name, the suffix limited is not given, so we should consider this one as the balance sheet of sole trader. Yes. Assets, land, building, machinery, debtor, stock, cash are given. Assets, creditor, long-term loan, capital are given. In sole trading concern, profit and loss account will not be given because the net profit included in the capital. Yes. During the year 1980, Giant had withdrawn rupees 8,500 for personal use. So the proprietor's drawings are given, so we have to ascertain the net profit. If drawings are given, we have to ascertain the net profit. If net profit is given, we have to ascertain the drawing. Yes. Then provision for depreciation on machinery was 28,000 on 31st December 1979 and 35,000 on 31st December 1980. So opening provision for depreciation and closing provision for depreciation on machinery is given. Prepare fund flow statement. First, I am going to prepare fund flow statement. Before that, I am going to prepare schedule of changes in working capital. So for that, I am going to take current asset, debtor, stock, cash, current liability, creditor. Debtor opening balance, debtor opening balance 32,000, closing balance 26,000. There is a decrease. How much? 6,000. Then stock opening balance 18,000, closing balance 13,000. There is a decrease 5,000. Then cash opening balance 4,000, closing balance 2,000. There is a decrease in working capital. These are all current assets. Then we have to take current liability. There is only one item in relation to current liability, that is creditor. 42,000 opening balance, closing balance 25,500. So 42,000 minus 25,500. There is a decreasing in creditor value which result increasing in working capital 16,500. There is no other current assets and current liability. I am going to total this. So here the gross increase exceeds the gross decrease, which results there is a net increasing in working capital minus 6,000 minus 5,000 minus 2,000. So the balancing figure 3,500 that we called net increase in working capital. It goes to the application side of fund flow statement. Then we have to prepare adjusted profit loss account. Since it is a sole trading concern balance sheet, so we should start with the capital ledger account. Capital is a liability. Opening balance credited. Opening balance 1,47,000. Closing balance credited. Its value 1,71,500. I said either drawing or net profit is given. Here the drawings are given. So when drawings are given, it will be debited to bank application value 8,500. So we have to ascertain net profit. It will be credited by, so the balancing figure is net profit. Sometime drawings are given, we have to ascertain the net profit. Sometime net profit is given, we have to ascertain the drawing. Drawing goes to application side, net profit goes to the adjusted profit loss account debit side. Then here debit side total 8,500 plus 1,71,500. So the total of debit side 1,80,000 minus the credit side value 1,47,000 will get 33,000. That is balancing figure. Considered as net profit, it should be debited to the adjusted profit loss account. Value 33,000. Then we have to prepare other ledger accounts. Capital ledger account prepared, then long-term loan. Long-term loan. It is a liability, opening balance credited 25,000, closing balance debited. So loan value decreases, that we should consider that one as application because that is the repayment of loan. To bank application side it will go. Then go to the asset side. Land. In the beginning 25,000, at the end also 25,000. There is no inflow and outflow of cash. We need not to prepare ledger account for land. We have to prepare ledger account for buildings. Buildings, opening balance 45,000, closing balance 56,000. So building value increases, we should assume that one as purchase of building. So balance appeared in the debit side to bank, it will go to the application side of fund flow statement. Then very important is machinery. For machinery, opening provision and closing provisions are given in the adjustment. When opening provision, closing provision given in the adjustment, we should consider the machinery values are net values. We should gross up. How we should gross up? So the opening balance of machinery, how much? 90,000. We should add opening balance of provision for depreciation. Opening balance of provision for depreciation, how much? 28,000. So opening provision for depreciation should be added with the opening balance of machinery. The closing balance of provision for depreciation should be added with the closing balance of machinery. 95,000 plus 35,000. So 90,000 plus 28,000. So net value is grossed up. 95,000 plus 35,000, 1,30,000. Then we have to balance this. 1,30,000. So the balancing figure appeared in the debit side. We should consider that one as purchase of machinery. To bank, it will go to the application side. Then we have to prepare ledger account for provision for depreciation on machinery. It is a liability. The opening balance credited. Opening balance how much? 28,000 credited. Closing balance how much? 35,000. It should be debited. The balance should be transferred to adjusted profit loss account. So 35,000 minus 28,000, the balancing figure 7,000 transferred to adjusted profit and loss account. It will go to the adjusted profit loss account debit side as provision for depreciation on machinery. Value 7,000. Now we will balance this. Debit side value exceeds the credit side value. So our fund from operation is 40,000. It will go to the sources side of the fund flow statement. Yes, then we will prepare fund flow statement. It has two sides. Left hand side sources are recorded. Right hand side applications are recorded. First we prepared schedule of change in working capital. We ascertained net increasing in working capital. It will appear in the application side. Net increasing in working capital 3,500. Then we prepared adjusted profit loss account. We ascertained fund from operation. It will be recorded in the sources side. Value 40,000. Then other item we can take from the ledger account. By preparing capital account, we ascertain net profit transfer to the adjusted profit loss account. The given values is drawing. So drawing given in the adjustment, it will be recorded in the application side. Drawings value 8,500. Then we prepared long-term loan ledger account. The balancing figure appeared in the debit side that we should consider as repayment of bank loan. 5,000. Then we prepared ledger account of building. The balancing figure appeared in the debit side. We can consider as purchase of buildings. Purchase of building value 11,000. Then we prepared machinery ledger account. The balancing figure appeared in the debit side. That is also purchase of machinery. Purchase of machinery. Its value 12,000. Then we prepared ledger account of provision for depreciation on machinery. The balancing figure transferred to the adjusted profit loss account. It will not come to the fund flow statement. Now I am going to balance this. 40,000 sources side. Application side we have to total 3,500, 8,500, 5,000, 11,000, 12,000. So the application side also we got 40,000. Student, we solved problem in relation to the provision for depreciation situation 2. The third situation we'll learn in the next video. Till then, bye and thank you.